Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Sony PS-LX310BT. Firstly, open the turntable lid and remove packaging. Then place the aluminum platter on the spindle. Rotate the platter until the red ribbon appears through the hole. Use the ribbon to pull and stretch the drive belt over the motor pulley, which is a small brass wheel. Double check the belt if seated around the platter and pulley. Place the rubber mat on the top of the platter and slide the dust cover hinges into the slots at the back of the turntable. Now plug in the included RCA cable into the line out on the back of the turntable and connect to speakers, sound system or amplifier. Flip the gain switch at the back to low, mid or high depending on volume levels. And press and hold the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds. The Bluetooth light will flash. This means pairing mode is active. On your speaker, soundbar or headphones, enable pairing mode. Wait for the devices to connect. The Bluetooth light will turn solid when paired. Now press the power button, place your vinyl record on the platter and use the size switch and select the correct speed. Press start. The tone arm will automatically move and begin playback. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.